Hi everyone, here we've got UMIDIGI X, and let me share with you how to change keyboard language on this device. So first of all, we have to open the keyboard. So for example, in messages, it doesn't really matter. And now all you have to do is simply find the settings icon, which is right here. Now we have to tap on the languages, and here we've got the list of previously added and applied languages. We've got only English right now. In order to add new one, just tap on Add Keyboard, and here we've got the full wide list of available languages. So as you can see, we've got plenty options to choose from, so I'm sure that you will find the language you'd like to use. Let me pick something, for example Arabic. Simply tap on the option you'd like to apply. If you can choose the pattern, then do the same, not pattern, sorry, the region, just tap on it the same way. Here you've got the keyboard options, so choose the one you like the most and tap on Done. As you can see, the Arabic language has been immediately applied to our list, so now we can go back to the camera and let's check. And as you can see on the spacebar, we've got the name of the language we are currently using, and next to it we've got the globe icon, which will allow us to change the language. So now I'm freely typing English, but after tapping on the globe icon, I can easily switch to the Arabic one. Let's tap on it again and again, English. So this is actually how to add the language to a keyboard. And now I will show you how to remove the language, because maybe for some reason you do not need two different languages applied. So simply go back to the settings, tap on languages and tap on this edit icon. Now let's tap on the one you want to remove, for example this one, and tap on the trash bin icon. As you can see, it immediately disappears, so we can go back to the keyboard, and as you can see, we have no globe icon, so it means that we can only type in English. So actually that's all. This is how to change keyboard language in your UMIDIGI X. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.